In this video, I am going to share with you about accountant jobs, total 10 vacancies, in which there are different requirements, different experience, different salary offer, different skills and different locations. Also, these all the vacancies are in different companies. And general accountant vacancy is available if you have 2 to 3 years experience in trading company in Abu Dhabi. This location is in Abu Dhabi. If you are interested, kindly send your CV to the given email address. If you fall in this criteria or you have 1 year, 2 year experience and you know the accountant software, you can send your CV. Accountant vacancy number 2. An accountant is required. Responsibilities: bookkeeping, preparation of invoices, internal audit, filing for tax with external source. Working schedule: 5 days in a week and 2 days off, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Probation period is 3 months. This is full-time job. Salary is 7,000 to 9,000 per month. The application question is: which program do you know? Zoho, Zero or PayTrack? You have to mention in your subject line which software or program are you are expert. Please specify experience. Experience required: accounting 3 years. Language English 100% fluent. And email ID is written below. You can send your CV to the given email address. Accountant job number 3. Accountant and office secretary. Accountant required for a electric manufacturing company at Technology Park, Jebel Ali, Dubai, UAE. Educational qualification: Master of Commerce or Bachelor of Commerce. Experience: 5 years in UAE in particular field. Responsibilities: complete accounting in ERP software, Coral software. Weekly monthly report on sales, payables, receivables, stock, payroll up to finalization. Transportation: to and fro garden near Ibn al-Battuta Mall, Dubai Factory Technology Park at Jebel Ali. Number 2. For secretary, office secretary. Requirements: looking for office secretary, bachelor degree, 5 years in particular field. You can send your CV for accountant and office secretary to the given email address. Just mention in your subject line the post designation. Accountant job number 4. Accountant currently looking for an accountant for a lighting company in Dubai. The candidate must have experience in lighting interior construction industry. Minimum 3 to 5 years experience, fluent in English and Arabic language. Salary offered 8,000 to 10,000 per month. Please share CV at the given email address. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills, you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this, like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel. So you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the video related to the job post. Thank you. Accountant vacancy number 5. You should have at least 4 to 5 years of experience in the field of accounts. It is mandatory. You should know English and Tagalog language. Salary up to 4,000. Immediate joiner will be more preferable. If you are on visit visa, cancel visa, and you are looking for a accountant job, You can send your CV to the given email address. Accountant job number 6. This is urgent based vacancy as soon as possible. You can apply. Must have 5 to 7 years total experience in finance accounting. Must have at least 2 years experience in UAE market. Must be available locally in UAE. Must be BCom and above education. Should be able to join fast work from office 6 days a week. Please send resume with detailed total experience, time to join, salary expectations and current company, also visa status. Send your CV to the given email address. Accountant job number 7. The company name is Sheridan. Accountant education must be BCom or MCom. Experience should have good experience in handling accounts with bank trade facilities. Apply now, send your resume or visit website is written below and you can send your CV to the given email address. This job location is Sharjah. Accountant job number 8. Company name Al Misak Real Estate. Salary package 3,000 to 5,000. You will play a crucial role in shaping financial strategies, ensuring accuracy in financial reporting and contributing to the overall success of our organization. We value diversity, teamwork and continuous learning, providing our employees with opportunities to grow both personally and professionally. Key responsibilities for this job: manage and oversee the daily operations of the accounting department, prepare financial statement and reports for management review, ensure compliance with accounting principles and regulatory requirements, UAE VAT and corporative tax expert, analyze financial data and provide insight to drive business decisions, participate in the budgeting and forecasting process. Qualification: bachelor degrees in accounting or finance, 2 years of experience in accounting role, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. This is location is Dubai, and if you fall in the above criteria, you can send your CV to the given email address. Accountant job number 9. This is also an urgent requirement. If you are on visit visa or cancel visa, you can apply for this job. We are urgently looking for accountant with UAE experience. The candidate must be available in UAE for immediate joining. Please send the CV to the given email address. Accountant job number 10. We are looking for an accountant for immediate hiring for one of our clients based in Abu Dhabi. Minimum experience of 2 years in accounting, preferably in insurance broker industry. Salary is competitive. If interested, please share your resume to the given email address.